sailing boat for us, staying afloat. Only you and I, we will be fine.
Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Whoop, whoop. So if you guys know me personally, I literally constantly change my room. So like probably in the span of the summer, it's changed about 3 times. Maybe like certain corners, not my entire room, but parts of my room. Personally, I feel like your room should reflect who you are, and I'm constantly changing, especially at this age. So I feel like my room should kind of reflect that. You feel? So anyways, so since today was the first day of school, I now have homework to do, and I kind of need a desk to do it. So at the end of the school year last year, I took out my desk because I wanted more free space just to kind of play around with different ideas and different concepts in my room. So speaking of school, I now need a desk. So I'm going to be making a cool makeshift desk. So it's not like 100% safe. I'm using things that I found in my house that kind of just worked, and it was somewhat of a temporary desk, but I kind of really like it, so I think I'm gonna like make it permanent or semi-permanent. I don't know. We'll kind of see. I change my room all the time, so there's no point in buying a real desk because I'm gonna eventually take it out. So this is kind of working for me right now. So I kind of like the temporary thing to it, temporary feel to it. Anyways, so without further ado, let's get into it. Alright, so let's talk supplies. So what did I need for this DIY? Basically, we have these foldable tables you can literally get at Walmart. So I took 2 of these, and then I found this, okay, that's the back side, but I found this plaque, not a plaque, but it's like a shelf. It was a garage shelf, and it was like a garage storage unit. I'm about to break my back. So you guys kind of get the feel of it. So I found this in my garage, and I kind of used it as my tabletop. Alright guys, so this is where I'm going to be setting up the desk right here, right in front of my window. That way I have a nice view of outside. So I'm definitely going to have to get rid of this mirror, and no worries, it wasn't really mine in the first place. I kind of borrowed it from the living room. We already had one in the living room, but when my brother moved back to Jersey, he left his here, and that belongs to him. So I borrowed it temporarily, and then it's going to go back in the living room, so we'll have 2 mirrors there now. And I have to hide my easel, I don't know how to say it. That's where I usually paint, but I'm going to have to hide that, so it's not there anymore. But yeah, so over here on this windowsill, I don't even think it's a windowsill. Why do I always forget my words whenever I'm recording? Anyways, so I have my plants that I always forget to water. Maybe by putting my desk in front of this, I'll remember to water it. And then over here, I have some of the paintings that I painted recently. It's really ugly, don't judge me. I really tried. Oh, this one's really cool though. I don't like the way I wrote it. I'm like currently learning calligraphy, so next time, you'll never see that again. So next time it'll be a lot better. Bye-bye mirror. I loved you while you were in here, but now I have homework, so I can't look at myself all day.
Well, I found a way out.
Let's take the first table and set it up.
I will build a sailing boat for us, staying afloat. Only you and I, we will be fine.
Alright, so since the window's that way, the lighting's gonna be a little weird, so just bear with me. So in addition to the desk setup that we have going on, I got this crate from Home Depot. It was like $7, just a wooden crate. I'm using it as a shelf, so to put some books in it, store some desk supplies. Also, I have my pins pinned in it from the Bucket List family. If you guys don't know who they are, they're this family that travels the world. They don't have a home. Well, they just bought their first home in over 3 years. So they travel the world with their 3 kids, and they make YouTube videos every week, and it's like the coolest thing ever. They're literally life goals. So if you haven't checked them out, I'm gonna put their link in the description because I love them so much, and Their videos are great, so if you guys want to go check them out, you should. So this is what it looks like on the bottom. So I literally just lied the piece of wood on top, and I'm not bolting it down or anything because we use those tables for like family gatherings and stuff, so I'm not bolting it down, and like I mentioned earlier, it's not really that safe, hence why it's called a makeshift desk. A makeshift desk. So right on top I'm placing the wooden crate stacked like so, and then I'll be filling in some of my books in there, and then adding some accessories to the top. And then I also have my lighting fixtures right there, so it's kind of like a lamp. So I'm just stacking some of the books that I've been reading lately and adding a fake grass plant on top of the crate, and also a little sailboat. Then I'm placing some flowers that I bought from the grocery store. I just put them inside a little mason jar. Sunflowers are kind of my favorite flower at the moment. I didn't realize how much I loved them. And then also, I always wanted a plaque with my name on it, but I couldn't get one, so I found this one that said Boss Lady. And desk hack, you can just put your pens and pencils in a mason jar. And putting this little crystal that I got from Morocco next to the little sailboat. And then this is just a cool photograph that I found at IKEA. The frame as well. I'm just putting that over my wall decal because I didn't want to take it off yet. So I'm just covering it up, but it looks pretty cute.
We will live in slow motion. Move a little closer, take a deep breath. Give me your code. I will build a sailing boat for us. Stay afloat. Only you and I, we will be fine. Only you and I, we will be fine.
And I did make a video about how I made this hanging light fixture, so if you want to check it out, just head over to my channel. And I totally killed that orchid over there. I feel so bad. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I am a college student on a budget, hence why I made a makeshift desk. And just to go over, it's not very safe. And it's kind of wobbly, so heads up if you do end up trying to make it. And also, it was free, pretty much. It cost me $0 because I had all the supplies already. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to see more DIY videos, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.